Get it out. Come on. Get him up, Rusty. All right, Rusty, wait to me. Wait to me. Good boy. Get him up. Wait to me. Wait to me. Walk up. Walk up. Get him up. Get him up, boy. Way. Walk up. Walk up. Walk up, Rusty. Get him up. Let's go. Oh. Wait. Easy. Good boy. All right, come by. Come by. Walk up. Hey everyone, Jordan Meyer here, Wholesome Family Farms. We're on our first cattle drive of the year, moving the steers to new pastures. And we're having a hard time, let's just put it that way. They don't like going through gates, like at all. Like they'll, man, a living. Now they're going up the hill. How fun is that? If I didn't have my dog Rusty here, I don't think I would have dreamed of getting him. I would have ran myself to death. Man, he's tired. He's practically dying. He's only a year old and he's coming along pretty good. He's learning pretty fast. But man, that dog will save you a ton of steps. I know one thing's for sure, if I did have more poly wire set up, that would make things easier too, but it's that time of year I'm looking for all my reels. Don't know where half of them are. Oh boy. Glad I don't have to walk through that brush. Good boy, Rusty. Get him up. Get him up. Oh, it's May 16th today and cattle are very happy to be on grass. But the trouble is when you're trying to start on a new location on the farm, like in this one in particular, the back end is over a mile away. So got a little bit of a trek through the no man's land, if you want to call it that, but it'll go better the next run. Always the first time going through when they're just learning the lay of the land, it's always tough, so it should get better. Man, 11, these guys are just a... Oh. Okay, well, we got to this next junction in the road and there's a little dinky trail there, so then they think they can take that. Then there's a steep mountain and then they want to take that. And most of them were taking that because I beat them to that spot. Oh, and then Rusty was behind and yeah. Now we're trying to make it up this big hill, which is always a challenge. Rusty, wait to me. Get her out. Walk up. Get her out, boy. Or him out, sorry. Walk up. Walk him out. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Don't worry. The reward will be great. We'll make her. Come on, guys. Pretty sight, black and red cattle heading up to do some good management. Land improvement. And it's nothing funner than seeing the beautiful results and getting to work with God's great creation. A lot of fun. It can be definitely challenging at times, but it's well worth it. Well worth it. Oh, live and learn too. Next time we bring these cattle through here, we're gonna get more reels. That's for sure. Slowly but surely, climbing the hill. I think my dog has pooped. I'll have to give him a special treat when we get done with this job because he is working his tail off. First year I've ever had a dog, so glad that we got one last summer is when we first bought him, and yeah, he's a year old now, so started working with him all last year slowly, and he's building his confidence every day and getting better and better, but definitely a lot of room for improvement too. But that's understandable. He's got a lot of time yet, so. Then we're gonna be getting a few more goats. So they'll be coming this week, actually, all the way from Texas. So that'll be interesting. Probably gonna need his help to unload them because the semi can't get in the yard. So should be fun. You'll have to stay tuned for that one too. Yeah, I want to talk about this spot in particular. Look at this grass compared to everything else. It's just unbelievable. Right in this little circle. You know what's funny? The goats slept there a couple nights. The amount of fertility they added to that one spot is just insane. It's night and day difference what they can do to grass. This goes to show you moving goats is important too, and because they always like to go back to the same place to bed every night, and wherever they sleep, that's where they load the manure. So quite the deal. Oh, that one got hooked in it. Oh, not good. He's trying to get out. There he goes. Now he got out. Oh man, long journey on this trip. Good boy, Rusty. That guy's getting tired. Almost there. You get him, You get him, Cade? Did you get him? You got him? Well, finally got him there. Gave him a paddock big enough for a day. Took a long time to get him here. I think it took us over an hour. Rusty, I don't know where he's at. I think he's running actually. Oh, he's right beside us there. He's dead tired. And he went in the pond, so definitely not gonna let him ride with us. So he should be good to go for now. We got him out on grass. Things are exciting. Looking forward to seeing the goats in a couple days. Stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button. Take care, guys.